Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add levels and Fibonacci retracement on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go here and click on this icon. Okay, so this one is for the Fibonacci. Click on it, then place your Fibonacci wherever you want. So let's say I want to place it here. Now, if you want to add a level, all you have to do is click on your Fibonacci like this until you see these dots right here. Okay, this one and this one and this one. Then right click and click on this gear icon properties. Now go to levels, and these are your levels as you can see. So to add another one, all you have to do is click on add and type here your level. So let's say you want to add 79% level. So you have to type here 0.79. If you want to add a 150% level, you have to type 1.5. You want to add 180%, type 1.8. You want to add, for example, let's say 300%, type 3.0. Okay, I hope that you get the idea. And here, type your number. So as we said, 79%. So type 79. Okay, now we have here the color of these lines, so you can change it if you want. Okay, so let's choose, for example, yellow. We have here the type of the line, and we have here the width of the line. Okay, so let's choose, for example, this one and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our level 79%. As you can see, if you don't like it like this, you can add a 0 to it if you want. So where it is, this one, 0.0, just for example. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.